So I want to
Yeah.
ask some questions that were asked in the chat.
Sure.
Hashforce says, please ask Eddie directly. For all the people that still say Dynex is a scam, is there any way Dynex could be a scam, and have Yeti speak to this claim?
Oh, that's a big question, right? So there's a few answers to this, and there's a few different combinations of it. And every time I answer this, it's going to basically ask more questions than answers. So I do apologize. So far, I've done my digging. I've gone and even asked Sumitomo direct questions. You know, Taines was very on the point, sent me a question for Sumitomo. I sent it to him, and he was very nice to return the favor and send the answer back within 15 minutes. He is very approachable, or at least to me, he is. And like I say, they're going to be flying me and the wife out in September to come meet the team, see the Dynex facility, where they're working, what they're up to, maybe even potentially some prototype machine stuff of potentially some very early silicon. Maybe I'd love to see something like that, even if it's just some mock-ups of how it will look, how it will work. I would love to see it all. You know, that's just more evidence, more showing me they're going in the right direction. And I'm even going to sit down and try and get Sumitomo to sit down with me and have a good chat. You know, like we're gonna just sit down, and hopefully, as long as he's okay and feels comfortable doing so, we'll hit record, and he will personally be very much out there then, and then there will be no more questions asked about who he is, and everything like that. So, and that might be the way to solve a lot of stuff right away.
Right.
Just sit down, have an interview, just one-on-one chat, just shoot the breeze like we're doing now.
Yeah, exactly.